Mula sa Billboard Philippines, Concert News SB19 announced wakas at simula the trilogy concert finale. Ibinahagi din ng Billboard Philippines ang nasabing announcement na ito ng SB19. Anila, SB19 are wrapping up their trilogy of eras that began with 2021's pagsibol, continued with 2023's pagtatag, and concluded with 2025 simula at wakas. On one epic stage, the Kings of P-Pop will bring wakas at simula, the trilogy concert finale, on April 18, 2026 at the SMDC Festival Ground are wrapping up their trilogy of eras that began with 2021 pagsibol, continued with 2023's pagtatag, and concluded with 2025 simula at wakas on one epic stage. The Kings of P-Pop will bring wakas at simula, the trilogy concert finale, on April 18, 2026 at SMDC Festival Grounds. Ang daming sakuna, di ko ininda, andito na tayo sa wakas. Maiba tayo ng usapan. Samantala, matapos ngang ihayag ng SB19 ang wakas at simula, concert nila at kung saan ito gaganapin, ay hindi nga po matapos-tapos ang opinyon, especially ng mga fans hinggil dito. Kaya naman sila ay may sariling kuro-kuro about this dahil wala pang ibinabahagi ang SB19 explanation why sa SMDC Festival Ground. Ang dami daw kasing nagrereklamo sa walang hanggang hagdan sa PH Arena, kaya ayan, open grounds para wala ng hagdan. But seriously, going back to their mantra, isn't this one of their paano hihigitan ng sagad na moves? Nagawa na nila halos lahat, sell out Araneta and PH Arena, joined local music festivals. But what they haven't done yet, and no single artist group has done yet, make their very own music fest. Nalungkot tayo because hindi sila makakapag-see this year. So what did SB do? Make their own music fest. And who knows, if this becomes a success, maybe this will be the start of something new for the Philippine music industry. A dedicated annual P-Pop Music Fest. Why not, diba? For the purpose of introducing new and existing P-Pop groups, promoting each group's new songs and albums, and creating a more solid and supportive P-Pop community. We know how SB and 1C listens. They hear us. They know our concerns. And we all know how they try their hardest to address every concern as much as possible. The best that they can, so sa abot ng kanilang makakaya, with the resources that they have regardless of how limited their resources might be. We've seen it time and time again. Hindi na tayo kasya sa Araneta. Nilipat sa PH Arena. Malayo pa ang PH Arena. Mahirap ang commute. Bus services were provided. Sa naging patuloy nga na pahayag at opinyon na ito ng fans, sinabi niya na limited ang matutuluyan near PH Arena. Nilipat sa malapit sa maraming accommodations and transpo options. At yun ngang ang taas ng PH Arena, ang daming hagdan. At katakot sa PH Arena nung nag-drip-drip parang guguho. Ayan, open grounds. Kahit nung FC, may mga nagsabing next time na lang daw sila kapag full concert. Ayon, na-miss nila ang live performance ng umaaligid with Miss Sarah G. Hindi naman mauubos ang concerns. Saan ba ang perfect venue na wala tayong magiging alalahanin? But here's what we are sure of. SB and 1C listens. They love challenges. They accept them and face them head-on. This is another challenge for them. And I'm actually really very excited to see how they will handle this. As for us, we trust SB and 1C, right? Yep. In SB and 1C, we trust. I know they can come up with creative solutions and I can't wait to experience their amazing new ideas. Kaya sa mga nagsasabing next time na lang daw sila a-attend, pag-isipan niyo po muna sana. So, see you sa finale. See you. On point. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.